Hello, it's Dr. Zafar Iqbal. Our today's topic is maca root, also known as Lepidium man. Maca root in a single sentence can be called hormone balancing superfood. Maca is a type of cruciferous vegetable native to the harsh and dry climate of Andes mountains of Peru. This class includes turnip, radish, broccoli, kale. Maca root has similar appearance and size as of turnip. Maca grows at an altitude of 7,000 to 14,000 feet at a temperature of -2 to 13 degrees centigrade and grows fast at low temperature. Peruvian people are using maca from the last 2000 years to have strength and vitality at these high elevations. Among 13 different types of maca, the most common are yellow, black and red. Yellow is the most commonly used form. Maca contains proteins, fiber, vitamins like B vitamins, vitamin C, minerals like calcium, iron, zinc, copper, iodine, and manganese, and many health-promoting phytonutrients including glucosinolates and polyphenols. Maca also contains around 20 amino acids including all 8 essential amino acids. This superfood is also an adaptogen and it helps the body to adapt to daily life stress. As maca shows many health benefits of ginseng, therefore also named as Peruvian ginseng. Maca works as hormone balancer. Sterols present in maca act as precursors to support normal hormonal activity. Maca can regulate the activity of entire endocrine system by influencing the hypothalamus and pituitary glands, and promotes a healthy and coordinated function of the thyroid, adrenals, pancreas, and sex glands. Maca is heavily marketed as libido and fertility booster for both men and women. A compound methoxybenzyl isothiocyanates present in good quantity in maca can enhance libido and fertility. In the 1990s, Dr. Zhang and his team discovered two novel compounds in maca, the macamides and macaines. These compounds occur in very small quantities, but their effect is promising in improving sexual health and energy. A review from 2010 that included 4 randomized clinical studies with a total 131 participants concluded that maca improves sexual desire after at least 6 weeks of treatment. Similarly, a recent review summarized the findings of 5 small studies showed that maca improves semen quality in both infertile and healthy men. Estrogen is the primary sex hormone that regulates the female sex drive and reproductive system. An imbalance in estrogen levels can make it difficult for a woman to become pregnant, like in PCOS. A 4-month study published in the International Journal of Biomedical Science involving 34 early postmenopausal women concluded that maca not only balanced hormone level but also relieved symptoms of menopause, like hot flashes, vaginal dryness, mood swings, sleep problems, irritability, etc. As maca root regulates female sex hormones, it may help in increasing the size of breasts and buttocks. For this purpose, use maca along with fenugreek, fennel, black cohosh, donquey, etc. As maca regulate hormones and also have high levels of calcium, it can also prevent osteoporosis, a common problem with menopausal women. Maca root is a rich source of 2 primary disease-fighting antioxidants, superoxide dismutase and glutathione. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, thus preventing damage to their cells and fight off aging and disease. It is believed that maca keeps a sustained blood sugar level without spikes and crashes by maintaining adrenal health, which regulates mood and energy throughout the day. Maca helps you gain muscles, increase strength, boost energy, and improve exercise performance. A small study involving 8 male cyclists given maca root extract for 14 days found an improvement in the time to complete a nearly 40-kilometer bike ride. as maca contains macamide, which is structurally similar to a neurotransmitter called anandamide. So, maca produces its pharmacological effect by prolonging the presence of anandamide in the brain, by possibly binding to cannabinoid receptors. Word ananda means joy, bliss, and delight. A study in 2008 found that maca root benefits both physiological symptoms and sexual function in post-menopausal women. Maca was able to reduce menopause-associated depression and anxiety after 6 weeks of treatment. In animal studies, black maca has shown to improve learning and memory. Maca is also traditionally given to Peruvian children to improve their learning at school. Red maca can also reduce the prostate size. This effect is linked to its high concentration of glucosinolates. Maca can be taken as a supplement or added to smoothies, oatmeal, baked goods, energy drinks, and more. In Peru, whole maca root is often added to soup and oatmeal, roasted and consumed as a vegetable. Hyperthyroid patients, patients taking hormone-altering medicines, pregnant or breastfeeding women shall avoid maca. The usual dose of maca root extract ranges from 250 mg to 500 mg 2 to 3 times a day after meal. The dose of maca root powder used in studies generally ranges from 1.5 to 5 grams per day.